Well, you know us as Joe
and Shane
because we are
the Gold Guys.
You finally saved up to buy your first ounce of gold when all of a sudden at checkout you see you're paying well above spot price. What gives? This margin above spot price is what's called a premium, and there's a few reasons for it. Many people mistakenly believe that precious metal dealers primarily make their money by buying low and selling high, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Premiums are how most precious metal dealers make their money. So first off, what is a premium? A premium is the cost over spot price you pay when buying a bit of bullion. The question is, why is there a premium? What's it there for, and what does that premium cover? First is going to be manufacturing and design costs. This is going to include mining, refining, minting, producing, etc. And often, the more complex designs and the smaller items tend to have a higher premium due to these manufacturing difficulties and costs associated with it. Second is going to be distribution and logistics. This is going to include packaging, shipping, insurance, and storage. You can't have your bullion shipped to you if they don't have a place to first be and a way to get to you. Third is going to be market supply and demand of certain items. This goes beyond just the standard precious metal supply and demand that you might get for 1 ounce of gold or 1 ounce of silver. This is the supply and demand for a specific item. This includes the rarity and collectability of certain items over others. Fourth is going to be brand and make of the product. Some products carry just a higher premium in general for trustworthiness, such as government-backed coins tend to have a higher premium to them compared to private mint coins, because government-backed coins tend to have a higher trustworthiness to them. And finally, fifth, of course, you have the dealer markup. Precious metals is a business, and the dealer needs to make a little bit of money to stay in business, so you can buy these coins. Premiums are an essential part of the precious metal industry. Every once in a while, you may stumble across a spot sale deal, where a company is selling an item for spot price. They don't have a premium, but these are few and far between, and usually only happen when a company has bought an item a long time ago and has bought it at a much lower price. They're still making a profit by selling at today's comp price. But again, this isn't super common. With that said, if you're interested in buying bullion for the best prices possible with the lowest premiums, check out our website, Goldguysbullion.com.